Daniel Huff Adventure here, checking in. It's been a while, and wanted to bring you up to speed on what's going on in my life. I had a total knee replacement on February 3rd, and uh, physical therapy recovery is coming along pretty normally. Um, so there it is. Got a nice scar, but yeah, it's healing. But physical therapy requires a lot, a lot of work. It's almost a full-time job with strengthening exercises and exercises to improve extension and flexion. Really struggling with the flexion. When I put my feet on the pegs, it's very, very difficult to bend my knee far enough to sit on the bike. I really not able to do that yet, but I'm gaining about 2 degrees a week and expect to be back on adventure rides here shortly and have some nice adventures to show you as the season progresses. See you in the next video.